Hey guys, so these are the puppies that... Oh, what do you want to say for the camera, little one? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Come. They're so afraid. I see you. What are you doing? What are they doing? Where are our shoes now, Nadia? Oh, Becky, she's the mother of the dogs. And here is one dog. Here is Becky. Here is Vicky. Or you can also call him Nikki if you may wish. Yes?
The puppy is under the chair.
Now there's one under the chair. Come on, Baraka. He's the shyest. Come. No, don't lick me. Come. Bring your hand. See, they're so shy. Who doesn't like dogs? We also had cats, but
They died and got sold.
They remain. So what are you doing, doggy? What are you doing? Where are they? Where are you going? I found you. Where are you going? I found you. Where are you going? I'ma zoom in on you. I see you. You see me? I see you. You see me? Little one. What are you doing? Aki, they're so sad. They're just there. Well, found you, scared cat, scared doggy. Hi. Don't lick the camera. Don't lick the camera. Just get out of there. You can't fit. You're gonna make the house all dirty.
It's hiding under the cat.
Hi. Say hi. Are you afraid of seeing your image? Or what is it? Come. Who's a good boy? Don't go. Hi. Who's a good boy? Fist bump. Good. Fist bump. You wanna lick the camera. This one really likes the camera. Okay, now we're gonna go back live.